So this is like the little beauty station. I mean, it's gonna be for this next week. Yeah, it's cute. I mean, I feel like the light looks a little weird, but you know, I'm gonna finesse it. Yeah, I put too much oil in my paint pot, so I'm using my e.l.f. concealer that I'm always using. It's coming in clutch right now. I didn't even realize my suitcase is open back there. Since I was under the age. Really? I said really?
So we just going to the club thing or no?
Or what?
Putting glasses on tonight for tonight?
Yeah.
Dang, I wasn't trying to get that fancy.
You don't have to do all that. I'm just being extra because I have an addiction.
Especially if we're gonna go somewhere to take pictures.
Yo, what if this boat was so big that we needed like a Uber? We need to call an Uber to get to the club. That'd be so crazy. Did you knock on her door? She asleep?
Well, they have to do not disturb. And I tapped lightly like 50 times. I was like, bruh. I can't.
Yo, what if like we went out and like there was nobody on the ship? Wouldn't that be so crazy? You know they little shower cap that they give you is not gonna fit. Those shower caps ain't made for us. I just got mascara in my eye. I thought somebody was knocking on my door about to tell me to turn this music down.
I've been under the influence of pain, and I never needed nobody. Yeah, don't get it wrong, don't get it twisted. I'm on a roll, I'm on a mission.
Yeah. So I think I'm gonna wear these shoes, these jeans, and I was gonna wear this off the shoulder shirt, but I think I'm gonna find a different shirt.